Okay, so you've heard it. I've heard it probably a million times. Spend more time with family and friends.
Mm-hmm.
Today, that simple phrase, that's our whole focus.
Right.
We're doing a deep dive to figure out why this really obvious sounding advice, why it carries so much weight. What's really going on there?
Yeah, as funny as it sounds so basic,
Totally.
but everyone gets it on some level. It taps into something, well, fundamental, a real human need.
A need that gets pushed aside, maybe, by, life.
Exactly. Work, stress, all the demands. And yet, this advice keeps popping up across cultures, across history. It's persistent.
So why? Why is it such a constant refrain? Is it just about, like, not being lonely, or is there something deeper?
Oh, there's definitely more. There's some really solid evidence, actually.
Yeah.
Strong social connections are linked to actual health benefits.
Health benefits, like physical health.
Yes, absolutely. Things like lower stress hormone levels, stronger immune systems even.
Wow.
And when you look at, say, longevity,
Yeah.
some studies suggest having strong relationships is potentially as good for you as quitting smoking.
No kidding.
Yeah,
That's huge. So it's not just warm fuzzies, it's physiological.
precisely. It's about building resilience, too.
Resilience? How so?
Well, think about it. When things get tough, and they always do, right? That support system, family, friends, it acts like a buffer. It helps you cope. Leaning on them, and crucially, being there for them, too. That reciprocity matters.
Right, it's a two-way street. That makes sense. So it's an investment in your health, your ability to handle stuff.
Exactly. An active investment.
Okay, but how do we do it? Spend more time feels a bit vague. What makes it stick? What's the key ingredient?
I think it really comes down to intentionality.
Intentionality, meaning
Meaning it's not just about being physically present, not just sitting in the same room scrolling down your phone, right?
salty, yeah.
It's about like consciously engaging, creating moments that actually mean something.
So like putting the phone away at dinner?
That's a perfect example. Or really listening when someone's sharing something. Being present. That's the core of it.
Quality over just quantity then. Though I guess you need some quantity too.
You do. Consistency helps build a foundation.
Yeah.
But yeah, those focused quality interactions, they can really deepen the bonds. Even short moments count if they're intentional.
Okay, let's think about family versus friends. They're different, right? The dynamics are different.
Often, yes.
Do the benefits, we're talking about stress reduction, resilience, do they apply equally? Or does it vary?
That's a good question. The type of support might look different, maybe. Family often gives you that deep sense of belonging, shared history,
Roots.
right? Whereas friendships might be more around shared interests, different perspectives. But the core benefits, that feeling of connection, the stress buffering, the resilience boost, they seem pretty consistent across both.
So both matter. They both build up that supportive social world around you.
Exactly. They complement each other to create a richer social fabric.
So when we hear spend more time with family and friends, it's a call to action, isn't it?
It is.
To deliberately nurture these connections for, well, a happier, healthier life, recognizing how much they actually impact us.
Couldn't have said it better. The simplicity is deceptive. There's real depth there.
All right, so for everyone listening, thinking about that simple advice, spend more time with family and friends. What's one small thing, one deliberate step you could take, like today, to actually do that?
It's one thing.
Yeah. Might seem small, but thinking about it, the effect could be pretty significant, couldn't it?